Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to join eBay seller programs. So open your browser and search for this ebay.com/seller center and go here in the menu you will see different topics, so starting with selling and ending with payment and fees. So you can open some random one, and for example here you see top rated seller program. So here is a little article that you can read. So qualify as top rated seller, and you can press learn more. And read some additional information. So here again, as I said, some articles that you can read, and here you can, for example, this get started, and basically to join some program you need to meet all the criteria that is described. So again, if I go to top rated seller program, so here you will see requirements. So to become a top rated seller you must meet the following guidelines, and just then you can be the part of this seller program. Once you join some program, you can monitor your seller dashboard regularly to track your performance and stay eligible. So you can do that by going to your eBay application, go to selling section, and here will be the button performance. But as long as I don't sell on eBay, I don't have that performance button, but if you do sell, you will have. And generally speaking, joining these programs help increase your visibility, build buyer trust, and improve your overall sales on eBay. So that's how you can join eBay seller programs. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.